All right, this is just an experiment. I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm gonna try this with toast. I'm gonna tear up a little bit of ham and put it in the bottom of each one, and then drop an egg in each one with some cheese. And I'm preheating this to 400. All right, got the ham in there, got a little bit of cheese underneath that ham. Now I'm gonna bust an egg in each one, and this ought to be preheated here in a minute. And I'm gonna give this 15 minutes. All right, let's see how this looks. Well, looks like it might be edible. Let me dig them out of there. Well, they came out easy enough. Let me sit down and cut one open. Yeah, we can live with that. Down the hatch. Hot, 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 hot. Yep. Yep, I'll do that again. That was good. And I used some not normal sized bread. I used some, well, you saw it, didn't you? I think, did I show you me doing that? Oh, no, there's the bread right there. It's a little bit bigger than normal. But I think white bread would work. You just got to grease the pan real good so nothing sticks. All right, I'll drink my coffee, eat my eggs, and start the day.